Losing weight may seem like an impossible task, especially with the rise of many fad diets. But according to numerous doctors, losing weight does not have to be so complicated. In this video, I am going to share 25 best weight loss tips from doctors. Watch the video till the end. Avoid added sugar. Try to avoid foods that contain trans fats, corn syrup, and added sugar. Often listed as hydrogenated oils, synthetically engineered trans fats increase your bad cholesterol levels and decrease your good cholesterol levels, upping your risk of heart attack and heart stroke. Drink more water. The vast majority of people do not get adequate water intake throughout the day. So drinking more water helps because that has been shown to increase your metabolism, and it will also help to give off extra water weight that you may be carrying around too. And just in general, it keeps you hydrated. It's needed for all different processes that your body does. Increase your protein intake. Protein helps you feel fuller longer and helps to increase your metabolism as well. Lean proteins like lean cuts of meat and steak, fish or other seafood, turkey, chicken, and leaner ground beef should be taken into consideration. For vegetarians, you can find healthy protein sources in foods like tofu or different soy products. Also, whey protein in a protein shake can be taken, which will help curb your hunger for a few hours. Just make sure to not buy anything with extra sugars. Plain whey protein powder works well too. Eliminate sugar sweetened beverages. Keep a close eye on beverages that are high in sugar like juice and soda. Even some of the beverages that have been pushed on us as being healthy a lot of times are packed with extra sugars. Get adequate sleep. Your body needs to be fully rested. You want to aim for 7 to 9 hours at night, but you want to make sure it is restful sleep. It is of good quality sleep, not where you are just waking up every hour. That's not good sleep. That will be very much helpful. So you want to create an environment where you are able to get good quality of sleep. A lack of sleep can increase cortisol levels and contribute to weight gain. Drink less alcohol. Yes, it is nice to enjoy a glass wine and it can be even beneficial for your health. But drinking the whole bottle in a sitting may not be the best option. According to doctors' weight loss tips, when drinking alcohol, people sometimes do not realize how many calories that they can pack. Like mixed drinks, when you are adding juice and sodas and things like that with the alcohol, that is also empty calories that you are consuming. 7. Get physically active. Not only should you modify your diet, but you need to increase your amount of physical activity. If you are not doing anything, you want to slowly increase your physical activity for a period of time and aim for the recommended amount of 150 minutes of physical activity per week. People say that in order to do physical activity, you have to have a gym membership, and that is not completely true. You can do physical activity by doing household chores, mowing your lawn, watering, cleaning around the house, taking a walk, and type of movement is physical activity. It doesn't have to be going to a gym and getting on a machine. 8. Monitor portion sizes. It may seem tedious, but counting out your portion size will make a huge difference when it comes to weight loss. I think a lot of people are eating larger portions than they realize. So if you are eating huge portions at a time, then you are obviously going to be taking in more calories to your body than if you are eating smaller portion sized meals. Prepare food for the day. Hopping on the meal preparation train will be extremely helpful for your weight loss goals. If you have food with you, if you are prepared before you go to work for the day, then you have a few meals paired with you. You don't have to worry about being tempted to eat snacks and other things. By packing your lunch and snacks You will be prepared for when hunger strikes you. Instead of rushing to the closest fast food restaurant or grabbing an office donut or vending machine snack, eat more vegetables and fruits. You should increase the number of vegetables and fruits you eat. Green leafy vegetables are packed with nutrients while still being low in calories. When you are eating fruits, stick with more moderate amounts because fruits can still have a lot of sugar in them. Eating more fruits and vegetables is a good way to help you feel full from eating low calorie foods. 11. Cook at home. Yes, you really can make healthier recipes right at home. Even if ordering out may seem more convenient, you will be able to see the difference in the scale if you start to cook your meals in your home, right? When making food at home, you can control what is in it when you are cooking it. So rather than eating out all the time, a lot of foods that are offered in restaurants are packed with calories and packed with a lot of ingredients that may not be as healthy. Eat more eggs. Eggs have a lot of high quality protein, especially tryptophan. Protein is satiating and also you spend more energy converting it to metabolite that can be burned, which aids in weight management. Eggs got a bad rap in the 1980s because of the cholesterol in the yolk, but it does not raise the small dense LDL, which is the atherogenic particle. Eggs are great by themselves with many different ways of preparation, or they can be added to foods easily. Eat less starch. If you are not that active and you eat a lot of starch, your body will not use that energy it is taking in. So it is just going to be stored as fat and you are going to gain some weight, right? If you are trying to lose weight, try decreasing the number of starch you are eating. Not eliminating them, decrease your amount of intake and focus on eating more whole grain source of carbs. Also reduce the refined carbs from your diet and eat more whole grains instead, because most have more fiber and nutrients in them. 14. Stock up on Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is great for palatability, satiety and protein content. Yogurt is also great for feeding the good bugs that live in your intestine, which improves the health of your microbiome, the community of microorganisms that live in your body. More and more research is pointing to probiotics as an effective treatment for weight management and obesity. It is amazing that feeding the good bugs actually helps people lose their weight. Organic grass-fed yogurt is best because you are getting a better omega fatty acid profile. When animals are fed corn, they produce dairy with more omega-6, but grass-fed animals produce dairy with more healthy omega-3s. 15. Start resistance training. With increased muscle mass, you will have a higher metabolism. That will help you burn off more calories. And as you age, it is protective because it helps decrease your risk of injuries and your risk of falls. You will have better balance and be stronger, decreasing your risk of fractures because you are at a lower risk of falling as well. 16. Focus on mindful eating. Think about the food that you are eating. Eat it slowly, savor it, not in front of a TV or playing on your phone or on the computer. Those things kind of take your mind off of the fact that you are actually eating, and you will end up eating more than you would if you were just taking time to eat and eat only. Practicing mindful eating will help decrease the amount of food you are consuming, and obviously less food, less calories, and that will help with weight loss as well. 17. Cut back caffeine. An adult can safely consume up to 400 milligrams of caffeine a day, which is equivalent to 4 8-ounce cups of coffee. But drinking any more than that can cause calcium excretion, which over time may lead to osteoporosis. Avoiding excess caffeine also helps to ward off uncomfortable withdrawal symptoms like lethargy, insomnia, headaches. Add chickpeas to your diet. Chickpeas are, of course, a nutritional powerhouse like most legumes. They are a good protein source. They have figured in the human diet since the very dawn of civilization, and so they are a nice connection to our ancestral roots. 19. Eat more dark leafy greens. Leafy greens are very low in calories, very high in nutrients, and can be prepared in a variety of ways that taste great. Many different types of salads, pasta dishes, sandwich, pesto, soups, anything. There is no downside. 20. Add more nuts to your diet. Study after study suggests that their inclusion in a diet helps prevent many chronic diseases. They are full of protein and healthy fats. Nuts are also quite energy dense, with each 1/4 cup of whole nuts coming in at around 200 calories. The fat in the peanut butter, fat in general, helps to curb your hunger a little bit. You can snack on healthier things like nuts and seeds. Those are great source of fat. Feel fuller with avocados. Avocados are packed with vitamin C, K and B6, and they contain probiotics, so it helps a lot. 22. Know your daily meat ingredients. For those who eat meat, processed varieties are a bad choice. While the link between meat and chronic disease is fairly tenuous, the connection between salt, sugar and chemical-laden processed meats and chronic disease risk is strong and consistent. If you eat meat, it should be pure, like you want your own muscles to be, right? If you eat the highly processed, adulterated meats, they may pay it forward to the meat on your own bones. Try wheatgrass shots. Adding a shot of wheatgrass to your daily routine can have incredible benefits. Wheatgrass is one of the most powerful foods on the planet and one of the most effective ways to detox and build your blood. It has a very high alkaline effect on the body. One of the ingredients with major benefits in wheatgrass is chlorophyll, which has the ability to draw toxins from the body like a magnet. The reason why chlorophyll is so powerful is it is basically the same molecular shape as your hemoglobin molecule, red blood cells, except for the center atom, where blood is iron and chlorophyll is magnesium. 24. Choose when to have your cheat meal. Even though an occasional cheat meal is one of the many doctor-approved weight loss tips, make sure to arm yourself with some cheat meal strategies before diving into that workout.